All right, welcome to another S&P 500 analysis. Looking at a live chart of the SPIDER, the ETF for the S&P 500, and the ES, the E-mini S&P 500 futures. So in this video, I just want to go to a little tidbit that I want to share with you on how to trade using the daily VWAP. Okay, this dashed line here is the VWAP, and it is a session VWAP. Basically, we are looking at this VWAP here, and it's basically developing throughout the session. Okay, and also let me point out some of the levels that I have on my screen here. This dashed line is the overnight high, and this one is the overnight low. So you can see on the E-mini S&P 500, the overnight high is 4072.75. The overnight low is 4027 and a quarter. And this is the halfback, the 50% point for the session between the session, the high and low. So this will move if a new low or new high of the day is putting up. Okay, and same here for the SPY. Then I also mark off some of the virgin point of control that has not been tagged, and also have a weekly point of control. So anyway, just kind of looking at today's profile, you see there's quite a number of the distribution, and it's a little bit of a trend day at the beginning. Right, you can see that it's selling off, and right now, over here, you see that there is a low of the day put on with a little bit of a cutoff on the seller earlier. Then one could take a long here, basically playing the outside in, right, look below and fail type of thing. And although this is a developing value area, and play it back up, the target is essentially the VWAP. So you can see that it came up close to VWAP. You take profit or peeled off. Since today is a down day, you really don't want to push your luck to play on the upside. So now we got a little bit of a bounce from the lower edge, the value area low. Don't try to trade in the at the point of control here. This is a chop zone. You want to target these levels to take profit, to close out the trade. You want to take initiate trade at the edge of the value area, either the value area high or the value area low. So here we basically could look for a short back down to the other end of the value area. And the key here to notice is, you wait for the setup, because right now you don't know, after you peeled off, this could go up and try to get back above the VWAP and then go for the overnight low. Okay, so you basically wait for the setup, and here comes the setup here, right here. You see how this candle spike up, got above the VWAP, unable to stay above it. So that means, seller is in control here. There's a seller here, that want the price to stay below the VWAP. So you can see that it's pushing it back down. So now you could go short here, and now you're targeting, you could target a POC, or you could target the value area low. Right, so there you go. And right now it put in a tweezer bottom. Right, so if you add these candle up, this basically is like a little bit of a hammer, or a hammer doji candle. Okay, and also put in a new low and got a little bit of a cutoff, seller cutoff here. So now you could go long here, and now you're gonna again play it against the target of the VWAP. So right now, basically, I'm just kind of watching right now. My trading day is over because I traded here and also down here. So I'm done. Right now, I'm just kind of give you a little bit of a tidbit to what to look for if you want to learn how to trade off the VWAP and also the volume profile. Okay, so basically, I'm watching to see would this thing come up and tag this VWAP over here. All right, the market just closed. Now let's go and take a look at the chart here on the SPIDER. As you can see, remember earlier we were talking about going long here and targeting the VWAP, and you see how the VWAP came in to be the target. And once again, once it got up above the VWAP, wasn't able to hold and move away from it. And you can see the sellers still are in control and pushes back. And look at the chop here. See, right near the point of control. Don't initiate trade at the point of control or near there, because that is a chop zone. So same with the E-mini S&P 500. Now let's go and just kind of take a look at the stat here and see what the market actually did and how bad was the damage. The Dow Jones Industrial is down 0.96%, almost 1%, down 308 points. The S&P 500 down 1.1%, 44 points. The Nasdaq 100, 1.13%, 142 points or so. And the Russell 2000 down almost 1.5%, 27 points. And the New York Stock Exchange Composite down 187 points or 1.25%. Apple is down 1.5%. It's down $2.50. And see what Tesla did. Tesla is down 2.5%, down $7. I think earlier it was down 11 or so. I think that's the low that I saw. I'm not quite certain on that because I wasn't really following Tesla today. That's the trade tidbit for today. Hopefully you find it useful and informative, and be sure to smash that thumbs up to help me promote the video on YouTube. Thank you for watching and stay safe.